Hey guys, welcome to episode 2 of the trading series of 0.1 Bitcoin to all the way to 1 whole Bitcoin. In this video, we're going to be looking at the progress that we've made so far in this challenge and where we're going to go moving forward. For those of you that are new to the channel, my name is Ben. I've made over 6 figures trading crypto and I'm on a journey to 10K a month of passive income, and I want you to join me on this journey. Let's go. All right, so here we are. We are on my Bittrex account and let's see how it's doing. So if we go to the holding, you can see the amount that I have in here, see the different holdings that I have. And now let's see how we've done with the Bitcoin. There we are, 0.1194. So basically we're up almost 20% on this challenge so far. And it's pretty insane how quickly we've made progress. So when I first got this challenge started, I dropped a little bit because I bought about half of the Bitcoin worth of altcoins and those dropped a lot in value. So then I was sitting at like 0.09. So I basically lost 10% when I initially started, and then I just started to do trades here and there, and we've really built up this account. So we're at almost 20% increase from then. We've done a ton of trades. If you've been in the Patreon group, you've seen a ton of different trades that we've done. If you want to follow me along in this journey, you can join my Patreon, and I post the trades in there that I'm doing on this challenge. Some of the great trades that we've done recently have been with GLM, and we hit a bunch of trades yesterday and then even last night with this, and then also with NXS. So as you can see, we first got this coin around 900 Satoshis, and then we hit our first trade at 1,027 last night. And then in the middle of the night, we hit our buy order at 892. Then we hit our next sell at 1,127, 1345, 1483. And then we woke up and had this 398 from our buy order, and we instantly sold it at 1310 for about a 40% increase. And then what did that look like when we look at the chart? So this chart just went like basically perfect with our buy orders and everything. So I placed our buy order at 892 Satoshis based on the previous dips, previous wicks that happened in the market. And so once we got up to 1,027, I placed that buy order. And you could see right here on this wick, we came back down right to like 889. So you can see the low for the day with 889, so like 3 Satoshis away from our buy-in price. So we hit that order like perfectly, came back down from the wick, we hit that, woke up today, and it's trading between 1,300. So then we were able to sell it right then. We have an open order to buy back all of it at 906 Satoshis, so right around that low point, and we would get a lot more Golem than we originally sold, and then we would get a lot more GLM than we originally sold. And you can see our buy orders hit pretty well because we hit one at 1345, hit one at 1127, and then 1483, and it looked like it kind of peaked out at 1,500 Satoshis. So we hit almost the peak of that, and then it came back down a little bit. And so now we're just going to be patient and try to rebuy at that region because it's done this multiple times. If we zoom out a little bit more, you can see right there, it had a peak around 1,100, and I think we hit a sell there and rebought. And if we zoom out even more, over here, you can see this is when we hit 1,100 as well. If we zoom out a little bit more, we went up to 1,500, I want to say about a month or two ago, and that's why I placed those orders where I did, because it went up to 1,500, and then I placed an order at 1,483, and then 1,300 as well, just to hit those orders. That's exactly what happened, and that's what happened. We were able to hit these orders based off of those charts that we looked at. And yeah, and then the other trade that we did was with NXS. This one we were able to make some trades as it went up. It was around 900 Satoshis, so kind of in the same price range. And then we hit an order at 1,161, and then we hit an order at 1,316. And for the order at 1,316, we placed a buy order at 1,013, which we hit today, this morning. So we placed that order last night, hit our order, went up to like 1,330. We hit it about 1% from the highs, which was perfect. Then we came back down and we filled that order at 1,013. And then we have an order at 893 for the order that we sold at 1161. So nice little gains there as well. And then just looking through the orders, we've had tons of different orders and trades go through. Game has been a good one. Loom has been a good one. We've hit a bunch of trades with that. REP, CRW, and we've just been trading a bunch in the past month and a half. and that's what really helped us get to this point. So moving forward, my goal in this account is to always have some Bitcoin. So as you can see, I have 0.072 Bitcoin now. My goal is to always have like at least half of the portfolio in Bitcoin, and then just diversify into these altcoins and be trading with them, taking little percentages here and there, and just grow the portfolio casually. Since it's in Bitcoin, it can fluctuate a lot. We could see it come back down to like 0.11 if a bunch of altcoins drop in Bitcoin value, and then that'd be a good time to buy more of them with the Bitcoin that I have. And then as it goes up, I'll be selling them and just growing that Bitcoin amount. Moving forward, I think that we can get to 0.15 Bitcoin pretty soon, maybe in the next month or so. And I just would love to see this continue to grow and see how quickly we can get to one whole Bitcoin. So I'm super excited with the progress that we've made, and I can't wait to see how it goes moving forward. As I said before, if you'd like to follow these trades, feel free to join my Patreon. We're building a strong community, positive community, sharing trades that we're doing and any coins that we are interested in buying, and just sharing our feedback with each other. And I love to see the growth of it, and I love to get feedback from everybody in the group, and so it's just a lot of fun getting to know you guys. If you haven't seen the first video for this challenge, go ahead and watch it right here. And thank you so much for watching, and remember, as always, keep it in the green.